Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. How to use basics. In today's video, how do we delete a character we are going to learn. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your character AI. Let's begin with the tutorial. Over here you can see Colin Hoover chat. Tap on it. Over here you can see our chats. Over here, tap on Colin Hoover. There you can see the option of hide character, view character, voice, persona, etc. But what you have to do is tap on remove message. Then you can delete the chats of the characters. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.